Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money on Amazon without making products by yourself, without shipping those products, without affiliate marketing. It is all done for you. So literally only thing you have to do is just list the product that is made for you and Amazon will do the rest. So even if you are absolute beginner, you can make money with Amazon. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, we are actually going to sell ebooks on Amazon, and if you can write these ebooks by yourself, that is by far best option. But I know that many of you are not that good at writing, so what you can do is you can actually find and sell PLR ebooks. Yes, you can sell PLR ebooks on Amazon, and don't worry, I'm going to show you where you can find PLR ebooks for free that you can sell on Amazon. So first thing you need to do, you actually need to do a research. So here on Amazon, I can simply type here, for example, ebooks in all departments. Now the reason why we are doing this is because we wish to see what are the best selling ebooks, and then based on that we will decide what is the best selling genre, and we need to find good ebooks in that genre because chances are that ebook will actually sell. But you don't have to choose that genre, that category. You can choose whatever category you want. Probably if you can find category where the competition is not that big, but search volume is that good, you can actually find and sell ebooks in that category as well. So now what we need to do, we need to find ebooks that we are actually going to list on Amazon. So for that we are going to use ID PLR. So what you need to do, you need to hover over free products and then click here on free ebooks. And here you can find free PLR ebooks that you can list on Amazon and sell and make money. And here you can see all the available ebooks. So here in search bar, let's just say, for example, I wish to sell ebook that is related to dogs. So here in search bar, I will simply type, for example, dog and press enter. And here I can find dog related PLR ebooks that I can sell. So I'll just say, for example, I wish to sell this ebook here for the love of dogs. And here I can see more information about this ebook. Here I can see title of this ebook. Here I can see description of this ebook. And also here I can see content of this ebook. Now this is really important. The reason why I use ID PLR is when you scroll here, here you can see what you can do with this ebook and also what you cannot do with this ebook. And this is important for us. Here you can see, yes, it can be sold, which means we can sell this ebook. And when you scroll here, no, it cannot be modified. So for example, you cannot add your affiliate link in this ebook because you cannot edit this ebook. But yes, you can sell this ebook, okay? So all you have to do is just go here and click here on download and download this ebook to your desktop. Now, quite often, in most of the cases, these ebooks will come with the cover image, but sometimes it happens that these ebooks doesn't come with the cover image. Doesn't really matter. What you can do, you can simply go here on Canva, and here in search bar, you can simply search for example, for ebook cover dog, for example, and then here on the left side, so just click here, okay, view more on themes, and let me just find, okay, and click here for pets because this is ebook related to dogs, and here you can find dog related ebook templates for ebook covers that you can edit any way you want according to your needs, and you can use that cover for your ebook that you downloaded from ID PLR. Now next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on Amazon KDP because we wish to sell an ebook. So what you need to do, obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to create your seller's account. I already have one. I will not show you how to do that because actually it's not that complicated. So just click here on sign in and you will sign in to your Amazon KDP account. So obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to click here on create to list your ebook. And because we are selling an ebook, we need to click here on Kindle ebook. Click here, okay? And now you need to add some basic informations. Here you can see language, it is English, okay? As we can see here, language of this ebook is English. So what you need to do next, you need to add a title. So I will simply go back here and I'm going to copy this and I'll paste that here. Subtitle is optional, so I don't have to add it. If you can add subtitle, rich with the keywords, that is good option, okay? Series, it doesn't have series. Editor number, I actually don't have editor number, but it doesn't really matter because it is optional. Author, I actually know that the name of this author is, so let me just Catherine van der Laan, okay? Often you can find the name of the author in the ebook itself. So I will simply paste this here, okay? And I will copy this and paste that here. because that is the last name, okay? And here author, again, last name here, and I copy this and first name here, okay? Description, again, just go back here on IDPLR, and I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste that here. That is the description of my ebook. As you can see, you don't really need to do anything, just copy and paste. Here, this is important. Publishing rights, click here. This is a public domain work because it is a public domain work. We didn't write this ebook. This is a PLR ebook, and yes, we can sell it, okay? So click here. This is a public domain work. Here you can see keywords. Now, this is SEO, search engine optimization for Amazon. It is really, really important. It can help you a lot with ranking your ebook on Amazon search engine. So what you can do is you can simply go back here, and I can simply type here, for example, ebook and then dog, okay? And here I can find ebooks related to dogs. So for example, okay, let me just click here. It is a bestseller ebook. It is from Caesar Milan, famous person. So all I have to do is just scroll down here, and here you can see read reviews that mention. So these are the keywords that Caesar Milan actually used for his own ebook here on Amazon, and you can use these keywords for your own ebook. So here, let's just say, for example, I will just say dog, and then I will say, for example, dogs. But like I said, you should use these keywords here, okay? Category, you need to choose a right category. Let's just say, for example, non-fiction, and let's just say, for example, art. In general, it's not art, it is dogs and pets. But like I said, you will choose the right category. Click here on save. Age and grade ranging. So for example, it is suitable for all the ages, but let's just say, for example, from 10 to 18 plus, from, let's just say, 4th grade, okay, to 12th grade. And all you have to do now is just click save and continue. Give it a second, and it will, as you can see, it's done. And now what you need to do, you need to click here, upload ebook manuscript, which means here you need to click here and upload your ebook that you downloaded from IDPLR. Okay, here you need to upload, click here on launch a cover, and you can upload your cover image that you either downloaded from IDPLR or created on Canva. Okay, and here you don't really need to do anything. ISBN, you need to add ISBN if you actually have one. As you can see here, it is optional, so you don't really need to add ISBN. Okay, and all you have to do now is just click here on save and continue, and you will add pricing for your ebook, and just click here on publish, and you will publish your ebook on Amazon KDP. And if you optimize your ebook well with the keywords and description that is rich with the keywords, you will actually rank your ebook on Amazon, and Amazon will start sending traffic. But this is a tip for you. What you should do is you should also start promoting your own ebook. In that way, you will drive even more traffic and make even more sales. And because this ebook is selling on Amazon, and Amazon is a trusted website, many people will buy it, which means it is a good conversion rate. And also because you are not using your affiliate link, but you are using direct link to your ebook on Amazon, you will not be banned if you use it, if you promote it on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram, Twitter, because like I said, it is a direct link to Amazon, and Amazon is a big company and trusted website, and that is why you will not be banned, and you will start getting even more traffic, and you will start making money with Amazon. So this is how you make money with Amazon and Amazon KDP in 2023 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.